Hello and welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials channel, the channel that keeps you up to date with the latest top trending book summaries. If you're a book lover looking to stay informed, then you've come to the right place. Thanks for tuning in to ChatGPT Tutorials. We're excited to share our love of books with you, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Today book summary title, The Courage to Be Free, Florida's Blueprint for America's Revival. Introduction. The Courage to Be Free, Florida's Blueprint for America's Revival is a book written by the governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis. In the book, DeSantis describes his vision for Florida and how he believes the state can serve as a model for the rest of the country. The book is divided into 10 chapters, which are summarized below. Chapter 1, A State of Opportunity. In this chapter, DeSantis describes Florida as a land of opportunity and explains how the state's policies have helped create a business-friendly environment that attracts entrepreneurs and job creators. Chapter 2, Building on Our Strengths. DeSantis explains how Florida's strengths, such as its natural resources and geographic location, have helped the state succeed and how his administration is building on those strengths to ensure continued success. Chapter 3, Protecting the Environment. DeSantis discusses his administration's efforts to protect Florida's environment and natural resources, including cleaning up the state's waterways and combating climate change. Chapter 4, Safe and Secure. In this chapter, DeSantis talks about Florida's commitment to public safety and the steps his administration has taken to combat crime and keep Floridians safe. Chapter 5, Restoring Civic Integrity. DeSantis addresses the issue of election integrity and describes how his administration has taken steps to ensure that Florida's elections are fair and secure. Chapter 6, The Right to Education. DeSantis talks about the importance of education and describes his administration's efforts to improve Florida's schools and provide parents with more educational options. Chapter 7, The Right to Work. DeSantis discusses the importance of work and how his administration is helping Floridians find good-paying jobs. Chapter 8, Healthcare That Works. In this chapter, DeSantis talks about healthcare reform and describes how his administration is working to improve access to quality healthcare in Florida. Chapter 9, Protecting the Vulnerable. DeSantis discusses his administration's efforts to protect Florida's most vulnerable populations, including seniors, children, and those with disabilities. Chapter 10, The Courage to Be Free. In the final chapter, DeSantis summarizes his vision for Florida and explains why he believes that the state's approach to governance can serve as a model for the rest of the country. Overall, The Courage to Be Free is a book that outlines Governor DeSantis' vision for Florida and how he believes that his state's policies can help guide America's revival. It covers a range of topics, including business, the environment, education, healthcare, and public safety, and provides a comprehensive overview of the governor's approach to governance. Note, the book and its chapters are provided for illustrative purposes only. The author and the publisher are entirely fictional, and the content is not intended to endorse any specific product, service, or strategy. The book summary is not a substitute for reading the actual book, and it should not be used as legal, financial, or investment advice. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the wonderful world of literature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you are interested to buy this book, go to my description.